welcome to my first video here on YouTube. Happy to have you here. My name is Larana, I'm from Switzerland and I'm the owner of a very small Etsy shop. Yeah, very small. I will link it down below, so go and check it out if you want to, if you're interested. I do sell stationery products, notepads, stickers, cards, and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I do. And this is my studio, creative space, whatever you want to name it. It's just right now it's my favorite place to be, so here we are, and I will bring you with me, and yeah, have fun. So bye-bye. Next week I will launch a new notepad, this one. Oh, and I'm sorry for my thumb. It's just, yeah, that's reality. When you work with cutting machines, at least that's reality, so be careful. Yeah, my new notepad. I love the gold foiling. Yeah, and I will just quickly show you what I need to create this one. So first of all, you need a thicker paper. This is 300 GSM, the foil for the lettering, heat pencil, because this foil is a heat reactive foil, so that works with the silhouette. And then you need, of course, the sheets for the inside, and these sheets I need to glue together. For that I use book binder glue, and of course a brush, some clips, and what else, and yeah, some washi tape, my cutting machines, 2 cutting machines, and I think that's all. So let's do that. So for cutting thicker paper I usually use this cutting machine. This is a super cheap one, probably not the best, but right now it works for me. So let's do that. These stripes I won't throw away because I'm gonna use them for packaging, as you can see here. So this will just go around it in the end. I will first start gluing the sheets together because the glue needs some time to dry down, so I'm gonna do that. So they are now clipped together. It doesn't have to be perfect because, well, here at the top where I apply the glue it has to be perfect, but on the sides it doesn't really matter because I will cut it down in the end anyway. So yeah, now I'm gonna apply the glue. I will apply 2 layers and wait maybe 30 minutes between the first and second layer. So yeah. So first layer of glue is applied. Now I will wait, and while I'm waiting I will add the foil here to the covers. Okay, first you're gonna cut some foil. Just let me check how much we need. How should I? I'm just putting this cover beside for reference where I have to put the foil. So while I was waiting for the silhouette to apply the gold foil, I already did the second layer of glue to the pads. So they are now finished and I can cut them to the right size so that they're gonna fit into the covers. And the covers I also already cut to the correct size so that the layering is in the middle and all that jazz. So yeah. Let's cut these. Here we are at my cutting machine, the one I almost cut off my thumb. So let's be careful. Okay, now we have the pads and the covers in the correct size, so it's time to glue them together. For gluing, I just use regular stick glue. Okay, they are glued together and now they get some rest time into the press, so they will hopefully go in the perfect form. And that's it. That's the whole magic behind this notepad. Yeah, so the ones I've just created are still in the press, and I will let them there till tomorrow, and tomorrow morning I will just make the final cut at the bottom of the notepads, and then they're done. So if you're interested in one, I will link them down below, so maybe you want to go and check them out. Yeah, and that's it with this vlog, with my first YouTube video. I hope you liked it, I hope you had fun, and I hope we will see us here on this channel again. So have a great day, bye bye.